Hi guys, welcome to Perseverance Software Training Institute. I'm Sai Charan. So in this particular series of Kubernetes, playlist, right? So we are next proceeding to an object which is very crucial on Kubernetes cluster, not cluster Kubernetes as a tool, right? So that particular object is pod. All right. So what is a pod? Let's see. See, basically, let me explain you that. You know, So basically, we know that Kubernetes helps us to manage containers. So the containers are basically encapsulated within pod. So what is pod? It's just a logical layer, right? Like this, right? This is the logical layer, which is pod, inside which we have containers, in which we have applications running. We have our workloads, right? So the smallest deployable object across Kubernetes tool is pod only. All right, we call it as pod. All right, I hope you guys got it right. So pod is nothing but within which containers are deployed where applications run. All right, fine guys. Okay, so whatever I have explained, so it is detailed here. So consider this, the this one is not the yellow one, right? And the gray one is pod. Within a pod, we have container, the green one, inside which all our application runs. All right, that is one. And now if you see here we have another worker node, the yellow one and the gray one, another pod, but we have two containers. So the understanding is inside a pod we can have multiple containers placed. That is according to the requirement of the engineer and requirement of the project, right? So according to our requirements, we take decision whether to put single container within a pod or we can put multiple containers within a single pod. All right. So all right, fine. Great. So this is all about pod, right? So then we'll see how to deploy a pod. So this will be our very first object to deploy on Kubernetes. So we'll see that in the next session. Thank you guys.